What's up guys, today I will be showing you guys how to create a simple logo with only circles. First we will create our artboard. Then we will choose ellipse tool and just create a circle. After that, we will copy the circle by holding Alt and dragging it. Press Ctrl R to make your ruler visible. We'll put some guides just to help us find the middle. After that, we will put the third circle just like that. And now we will group the two layers, and after that center the third circle in the middle of the two circles. Put some guides once again for the fourth circle. Not too big, not too small. Center it in the middle. And now you can hide the guides. Okay, so this is the shape. Select all and then select your shape builder tool to create the shapes. 1, 2, and 3. Select the 3 pieces, hold shift and select everything and then delete. Okay, so now we need to color it. We will be using gradient. So let's figure this out, which color we will use. We will use the orange and the yellow, or the red and the orange. Okay, so now we will create our own gradient. After that, all we need to do is put the colors in the shapes. We will use our eyedrop tool. Just like that. With the gradient tool, you can adjust the shadows. where you want the red and where you want the orange. And this is very important because it gives your design another look, or it creates a kind of a 3D shape. Okay. Just play a little bit. Okay, so now we will delete the strokes, make it 0, and voila. We have a nice circle logo, and it looks, and inside we have a shield. Group. Let's say we want to save it. Hold Alt, Control and Shift, and then press S. It will save it as a PNG file, so that we don't get the white background with it, only the logo we just made. I'm gonna up the percentage a little bit to 400 and save the file. I'm gonna call it circle logo design. Okay, so that's it for this video, guys. Hope you enjoyed. If you guys want more videos, just comment down below and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.